Okay, so now we're going to start working through some other stitches that will create shape and patterns within your work. So far you have managed to learn how to create a slip knot, you've created a foundation chain, from there you've then created a double crochet, a half treble crochet, treble crochet, a double treble crochet and a triple treble crochet. Now the next stitch for you to learn is going to be a slip stitch. Now unlike the other stitches, a slip stitch has no height to it at all, so there is no need to chain when you're doing a slip stitch. You can do a slip stitch in the middle of your work. It is effectively a stitch that moves you from one place to another without creating any height whatsoever. So I'm just working through my work at the moment and doing some double crochets, just like I have in previous rounds. And if I wanted to now move across a stitch without creating any height, I can do a slip stitch. To do that, we will take our working yarn in our hand, we will place our crochet hook into the stitch, ensuring we catch both the front and the back loop. We will yarn over and pull through, but instead of now yarning over, we actually won't. What we will do is we'll use our hook to move the second loop on your hook through the first loop, like that. Go into the next stitch and do another another slip stitch. I'll yarn over, pull through. I've got 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through. And all we're doing is moving our crochet hook along our piece of work without creating any height. So you will see those last 4 stitches have no height at all to them compared to the 2 double crochets. Now again, if we wanted to do it as a half treble crochet, we can do half treble crochets along so that you can see those stitches nice and high. 3 half treble crochets, and then I'm going to slip stitch in the next 3. 1, 2 and 3. If you keep practicing a slip stitch, then meet me back and we will go on to the next part of our work. If in the meantime you have got any questions about that, please don't hesitate to contact me on the group. Love to see examples of your work. By all means, if you want to share that with us, please do. Okay, until next time, see you soon. Thank you.